I'm Hammarin. This is science of water bubbling sound. Explained in 2 minutes. Subscribe for more and let's proceed. Alright, imagine this. You've just filled your favorite glass with water, ready to quench your thirst. But have you ever paid attention to the subtle symphony that unfolds as water cascades into your glass? Let's dive into the science behind this seemingly ordinary act. So, when you pour water, it sounds like a mini concert orchestrated by the smoothness and width of the stream, and the height from which it takes the plunge. Picture this. As water falls, a smooth stream forms ripples due to something called the river plateau instability. These ripples then play a beat on the liquid surface, forming air bubbles that vibrate and, ta-da, produce sound. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Thinner jets make a bigger splash in the sound department. Why? Well, thinner streams form ripples faster. On the flip side, when thicker jets break into individual droplets, they create a different kind of auditory magic. A bit louder though. But it's not just about thickness. More air gets trapped in still water, and thin streams tend to make more noise than their thicker counterparts. And it's not just the liquid doing the talking. The temperature of the water plays its part, influencing bubble size and, in turn, the pitch of the sound. It's like your water is composing its own melody based on how hot or cold it is. In a nutshell, the sound of water pouring is like a mini concert involving falling water, air, bubbles, and the liquid surface. It's influenced by the factors like smoothness, width, height, and even the temperature of your water. So next time you pour yourself a glass of water, take a moment to appreciate the science and artistry behind that seemingly simple sound. Be sure to check out my video. You can click it here.